papasyal kayo man ni Jai, Pennsylvania. From Ohio, Kinayo, going to Penny. From Ohio, Kinayo, bantayo mo Jai. Ka Penny-san. Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania, di ba? Penisipe. Sounds like Penny-san. Alright. Natay, di kita kay kayo. Pag nagre-regreg dati sa di dadahon da.
Yes, just lemonade. Yeah.
Look wrestler.
And then another just sandwich, classic roast beef with the cheese sauce.
The steel dealers you can find across the country.
From
Visit one and
Ohio
you'll find a
at
range of dependable gas and petrol
napagitnaan ng
refurbished.
West Virginia. Here we go, Pennsylvania. And we're going to use the exit 1. The tortured way, just like, what do you call that? Bituka ng manok. That's why makes me dizzy. Santa Fe. Zigzag.
Get the nigger, Jasper. Get it. Get it. Get it.
No reaction.
It's all, you know what this is? Oh, this is the spooky road.
Spooky mountain.
Yeah, this is, since it's the Halloween. Oh, we need to go up into the darkness in the car.
Ah! I'm taking video labs.
Go ahead to that part,
I don't know if I can edit that.
Oh, yeah, no shit.
They can see how maniakish you are.
So,
One way only. It's so scary, labs.
one way? No, there's two ways. You don't like the camera?
Yeah. Diyos ko lang nila Kai. You know, remember the jacket that I'm wearing every time I sing a song? Woo! Yes, it's from that.
You finally seen the cows! Get the cows, Jasper! Get 'em! Get the cows, Jasper! Get them! Yeah! You gonna get the cows, Jasper? Get it, get it, get it!
There we go.
Don't remember, there ain't no internet down here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So no internet for you.
No problem.
Yeah,
We are near to the house now. And here we go.
Who the fuck's at our house?
There is?
Somebody's fucking.
There's somebody there.
I don't know.
There's yeah, truck side. What's that?
I don't know.
Oh, they're parking here. After 1 year, ngayon lang ulit ako nakadalaw
ayusin yung ref kasi may mga expired na food. So, kailangan namin tanggalin lahat yon at itatapon namin dito sa taas. Ayan. Hankong solar atoy.
We're going to throw it all the food. Food over there. Food from 3 ref na father. It's going down.
Yeah, but the fucking sun's right in my eyes, babe.
Yeah.
And I can't see where I'm fucking driving.
So why you keep driving?
Oh, well, 'cause
We're
I can,
going down now.
yeah, I know where we're going, babe. Right here, next to the fucking wood line. The car's four-wheel drive. So, hopefully we don't have to go home and get the tractor. But, right here's the fucking path. See the path?
That one?
Yep.
Okay.
That's where all the fucking deer. So we're gonna dump all this fucking
Food.
food. All the animals and shit fucking.
Diba? Nagsasaw nila kayo, ang daming packing. Sa Ilocano.
Fucking nana. Fucking nam.
Okay ni Naya.
No, not fuck you. I love you.
I love you. Tayo muna, I love you na tao. It's running over there. Oh.
The deer will, the animals will come back and eat all this.
Ay, last gado nga basura nga makan. Inabot kami tirabi eh. Ano yan? Uhayo kirinayo. Na naglumiyay. Sarti kami pala ng Pennsylvania pa. Nice. Kasik-sik ngitan. Sarti kami pinakangato. Tisular. Blay over there at the back of that. Right, loves?
Wow.
The house is there, over there.
Where?
Down over there.
Great.
Straight. Oh, okay. Woo! Yeah. Okay, Nana. How you get that now? Maybe monkeys can get it, lads. Huh? Yes, one okay ni Nana. Oh, God. All right, let's go.
We played our part feeding nature.
Cleaning nature.
Clean up.
Agadaw na karkarne. May cut the glass, right? Let's go. Dear. Hi, dear. Hi, best
Go over
friend.
that corner.
Go over there. There's a lot of food over there.
Yeah. There's a fucking cat.
Cat?
Right there.
Meow.
Kiki. Right, you're probably one of my dad's kids.
Freddy's brother.
So what are we doing here now? Turning off the fucking light.